How to install a DSC file on Linux. I have to install manually a file with a type I never seen before, .dsc. How can I install this kind of file on Linux?
From Phoenix.com. Debian, source control, source package, typically lowercase on NIC systems. Description file dpkg, source Debian source packages consist of 2 or 3 files. First, the DSC file, which contains some information about the package and checksums for the remaining files. Second, a tar.gs holding the upstream sources. And third, if any changes need to be made to the sources, they are distributed as diff.gs. To simplify the unpacking process, a single command, dpkg source x dsc, is provided by Debian to unpack these files. This association is classified as source code.
From linuxquestions.org. Full procedure to install the package related to a .dsc file. Before you begin, note that, besides the .dsc file, you must have the corresponding 30 original.tar.xz and 30 debian.tar.xz files. Install dpkg dev package, if not present in your Linux machine. Sudo apt-get install dpkg dev. Following command extracts the package into an automatically created directory. Note, the necessary 30 original.tar.xz and 30 debian.tar.xz files must be in the same directory as the .dsc file in order to work properly. dpkg source x your file.dsc. If you get error message concerning the signature, check this post here. To build the package, get into the directory that was created in second step and issue this command. dpkg build package rootb. To install the built package, issue this command. dpkg i.yourfile_arch.deb.
What is